The Kajabi Creator Studio offers all of the tools you need to create and repurpose content, but is it as easy and as straightforward as it sounds? In this video, I'm going to dive into the Kajabi Creator Studio and show you how best to use it. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. Right off the bat, I am a Kajabi hero and I am a Kajabi partner. Before I dive into the training of this video, I first of all want to make you an offer. As I am a partner, I can get you an extended 30-day free trial of this platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin at no cost to you. You can simply head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, have a look at the awesome bonuses on this landing page before you click through and start your free 30-day trial with this platform. And yes, this is an affiliate link. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel if you choose to go over those 30 days and use Kajabi for your online business. But as a thank you for using my link and opening up your Kajabi account, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. It's a program that I've developed if I were to hit the reset button or unbox a new Kajabi account tomorrow, what I would do first, second, third, and fourth to set it up for scale. And if you continue to use Kajabi after those 30 days and love it like I do, like I think you will, as a second thank you for me for using my link, I'm going to automate you another program. It's Kajabi sales page templates. Just simply forward me your receipt as a paying customer, and I'm going to give you access to another program. You can simply download these sales page templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi account. These are the exact templates that I use in my online business today. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the other bonuses that I'm offering on this landing page. And I wish you all the best with your Kajabi journey. So let's dive straight on over into the training. All right, so here I am inside my live Kajabi account. And all I've done now is I've navigated down to Creator Studio. And you'll see now Creator Studio has its own dashboard. Now, Creator Studio has been set up with obviously creators in mind, but they've partners with Adobe Express, so you can actually use their tools to recreate some of your content. So I'm going to go into creating a new project. I've uploaded a couple of projects here. We can talk through that in a sec. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click Create a New Project. So from here, it's got a bit of a setup wizard, similar to if you're setting up any products or any campaigns, anything like that. And you've got two options here. So you can either select a video upload, so you can upload some of your content that you want to repurpose, maybe get some transcription or get some other clips, or you can select something that's already in a course. So it all depends what you want to use this Creator Studio for. But let's see first of all what you can use this for. So here are some examples. So you could have a video clip, so you could upload a video and then get a clip from it. It does say here that Creator Studio works best for taking videos without background music. So if you have anything that doesn't have any background music, upload those here, and anything longer than 1 minute. So it's got some more options to use. So you could have a video clip, a video title. So if you didn't know what to call a video, it's going to transcribe it and offer you a video title. Video description. So if it's part of a YouTube video or if it's part of a program, you want some form of edited description, it could actually give you some examples there. Transcript, if you just want the whole transcript of a video, you can use that as well, that function. Subtitles, either SRT or VTT files. Then if you wanted to repurpose some of your content, so for example, if it was your weekly YouTube video or your weekly video that you wanted to post or publish on socials, then you can select social media text for Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, X, anything like that. Then if you wanted to pair an email description with a piece of content, a video content that you were doing, you could have a new course email, course discount email, last chance sign up email. So this is going to actually generate you some copy. Coaching call summary, this is pretty cool. If you do offer one-to-one coaching, you could upload the recording of your coaching call. It's going to transcribe all that. And if you wanted to send your client a summary of your coaching call that you've just done, this is actually going to help you up with that. Coaching call, follow-up email, newsletter, webinar summary email. So again, this is a good tool to actually transcribe it and summarize and help you out with AI. If you wanted to create any of your videos into a blog post, this is a how-to blog, a listicle blog, a Q&A blog. This is going to help you, again, as a starter for 10. All these tools are using AI and transcribes your content, but I always say it's a good starter for 10. Have a look of the output of the AI and then use that maybe to create some inspirational ideas, but use it as a start of a 10. Use that and put your own spin on it. Community, a new course announcement post, a course discount announcement post, a webinar summary post, a discussion, questions, anything that you wanted to add into your community. So if you had a membership and you were running video calls, you could then upload your recorded video call here, and it's going to give you all these different options. And then video summary, short summary, medium summary, long summary, quite self-explanatory here. If you're having problems with or challenges putting a course together, this could give you a course outline, title and description. It's actually quite nice to use a bit of AI to come up with a clickable title and a bit of a juicy description, lesson titles and descriptions. And then lastly, website text, sales page text, and lead generation page text. So if you were putting a sales page together and you had the video sales letter video, the MP4, then upload that here. This is going to give you a ton of options. So select either upload a video or select a video that you already have in one of your programs. So what I've done here, I'm just going to cancel out of this. I'm going to exit the studio, and I've already done two things. It takes a bit of time to upload your videos and then transcribe your videos. But what I've done, two things here. I've taken a module, a video from one of my modules in my programs, and I've just asked it to have a video description here. So I can click into this, and then it's going to give you a bit of a description of this video lesson. So this is one of my first videos in one of my programs. It's talking about module 1 channel foundations. This is in my YouTube list builder program. And then lesson 1.3 research and channel keywords. I'm talking all about keywords, but this is giving me a good summary or a description to put under each video. So that's one for that video there. Now I'm going to go back out into the Creator Studio once more, and then I'm going to show you I've uploaded a video. So this is one of my YouTube videos actually. I've uploaded it into here, and for example, if you wanted to use clips for Facebook or anything like that, or repurposing, you can use that here. But all I've done is I've just gone, I want a video clip. So here, this is going to transcribe it all for you, and it gives you an idea of what you can do, right? So you can click on any bullet point as it transcribes, and then you can actually make your own highlight here and preview it, and it's just going to make an edited video with transcription for you. Find key moments here. It's going to say ideal for Instagram or TikTok. This is ideal for Facebook, LinkedIn, ideal for YouTube. So you can click on whichever one of these that you want to try and get a video clip for, and it's going to walk you through this process. So you can go into each one of these and select a bit of a clip for you, and then preview it, and then you can render it out and use that for your repurposing. So there's a number of ways you can actually use Creator Studio. Now, full caveat, the Creator Studio, you can use one video a month if you are just repurposing or getting some description or transcribing one video a month. That's good to go. That's all in the free package. If you wanted to use up to 4, it is an additional subscription to your Kajabi subscription. So here, I've just played around with this. So this is a $9 a month. You can have up to 4 projects. So uploading any of your standalone videos or using some of your course material to repurpose or get that transcription for. So just have a think about if you are paying for something else that is allowing you to repurpose, then Kajabi have done a good job partnering with Adobe Express to try and get this platform, everything all under one roof. But this is an additional fee. So just ask yourself whether this is a good, worthwhile of your investment or not. So there we have it. Hopefully you've enjoyed that training and you've learned something. And more importantly, you can actually take action and implement something that you have learned today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi if you haven't already opened up your free account. But if you have any questions about this training, just comment down below. I will get back to you. Hopefully this video has provided you with some value, and I look forward to seeing you on the very next one.